What is a rolling blackout on the power grid? Imagine flipping a switch and suddenly losing power in your neighborhood, but only for a little while. That's not a mistake or a blackout caused by damage. It's a planned move called a rolling blackout. Utility companies use this method to keep the entire power system running smoothly during times when electricity demand is very high or when there's less power being generated than needed. A rolling blackout is a temporary power outage that happens in specific areas for a set amount of time. The goal is to prevent the entire electrical grid from becoming overloaded and collapsing. When too many people use electricity at once, especially during heat waves or cold snaps, the system can get overwhelmed. If that happens, it could cause a total blackout, which would affect many more people and critical services like hospitals and emergency responders. To avoid that, utility companies turn off power in different neighborhoods in a rotating pattern. This way, no single area experiences a long outage, and the load on the system is spread out evenly. Usually, each blackout lasts from 1 to 2 hours. During that time, the utility company prioritizes essential services to keep hospitals, emergency services, and other critical infrastructure powered. Rolling blackouts are often triggered by extreme weather, unexpected failures at power plants, fuel shortages, or issues with transmission lines. For example, if a power plant suddenly stops working or there's not enough fuel to generate electricity, the system needs to cut back on demand quickly. These controlled outages help prevent a complete system failure. Utility companies constantly monitor the grid's condition. They communicate with government agencies to decide when rolling blackouts are necessary. They also try to minimize how long each outage lasts and which areas are affected. The process is carefully planned to keep the overall system stable and reliable. In summary, a rolling blackout is a temporary, controlled power cut in specific areas. It's a safety measure used by utility companies to keep the entire electrical system from failing during times of high demand or reduced supply. This method helps ensure that power remains available to the most critical services and prevents widespread outages.